Okay, so it is day 4 of our road trip out in Toowoomba. We've had a bit of a sleep in today, so we're going to be doing a bit of an afternoon ride to make our way home back down to the Gold Coast. We're going to have lunch over at Zambro's first, and then we're going to head a bit further inland before we cut on down through Boonah on our way back through the Gold Coast version of the hinterland on our way home to bigger waters on the Gold Coast. So yeah, let's bring on the next day of travels. Okay, so we've made it down the Great Dividing Range. We came the back way out of Toowoomba, so we've done a bit of a left turn just before you hit Warwick and headed up that way on the Cunningham Highway. So yeah, views were a bit fantastic on the way home, so hopefully you've just seen a bit of that view. And now we've taken a stop in Arachula, I think it's called, where we're gonna have a bit of a break, a bit of a drink before we hit the road and head that way towards home. So I was like, no thank you.
Good old servo food.
Cheers.
Chicken bites. Big garlic ball.
Yes. So we made it back to the Gold Coast. So it's been about almost 1,000 kilometers, 4 days, lots of different rides all over, from down here to up to the Sunshine Coast to inland to Toowoomba and back. And now we are officially cooked, ready to have another meal and then roll over and go to bed. Justin and Wifey Travellers will be back for our next holiday. We're headed back to Queenstown, New Zealand, and this time we're going to be taking on a half marathon, but there'll still be lots of things to see. So check us out when we're back.